We've put a Nemesis pin to drive immobiliser on this new Range Rover Evoque, 2026 plate Range Rover Evoque, which prevents the gearbox selecting any gears until a unique pin code is entered. Pin code sequence is entered using a number of buttons on the vehicle, existing buttons. Once the right sequence is entered, you'll get an acknowledgement flash on the main beam warning light up on the dashboard, and that tells us the system is disarmed and ready to drive. So if we start the car now, foot on the brake, press the button, car starts and runs. Okay, now if we go down to the gear selector, try to select a gear, backwards or forwards, you'll see it remains in park. So we need to put the pin code in. So as I say, we can use a combination of button pushes, but when we put the right combination in, you'll see the light flash, main beam light flash. There you go, main beam light flash there. So now we select the gear again, and we're good to go. Okay, so the system disarms via unique pin code and rearms automatically every time you switch the ignition off and open the door, and it's acknowledged by a couple of flashes of the main beam warning light. System rearmed.